Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to explore a fundamental concept in vector calculus, the principal unit normal vector. This vector helps us understand how a curve turns in space. We will break down the formula and see exactly what it means geometrically. First, let's establish our setting. Imagine a particle moving through three-dimensional space. Its path traces out a curve. We describe this position at any given time, t, using a vector function, r of t. As time progresses, the particle moves along this path. Recall that we already have a tool to describe the direction of motion. The unit tangent vector, denoted as capital T of t, this vector is found by taking the derivative of the position vector and dividing it by its own length. It always has a length of 1, and it points exactly where we are going at that instant. But what happens when the path curves? If the object is moving in a straight line, the tangent vector never changes. However, on a curve, the direction of the tangent vector is constantly changing. Even though its length stays equal to 1, it rotates as the object turns. To quantify this turning, we look at the rate of change of the tangent vector itself. We calculate t prime of t, which is the derivative of the tangent vector. This new vector tells us the direction in which the tangent vector is turning. Here is the definition of the principal unit normal vector. Denoted as n of t, it is defined as t prime of t divided by the magnitude of t prime of t. By dividing the derivative vector by its own length, we are simply normalizing it. This ensures that n is a unit vector, meaning it has a length of exactly 1. Why do we call it the normal vector? In mathematics, normal is another word for perpendicular. It turns out that because the tangent vector has a constant length, its derivative, t prime, is always orthogonal or perpendicular to t itself. So, our new vector n is always at a 90-degree angle to the direction of motion. So we know n is perpendicular to the path, but which way does it point? The principal unit normal vector always points towards the inside of the turn. It indicates the direction the curve is bending towards. If you were driving a car, n would point towards the center of the turn you are making. The simplest example is an object moving in a circle. Here, the tangent vector points along the edge of the circle. The normal vector, n, points directly toward the center of the circle at all times. This aligns with the physics concept of centripetal acceleration, which also points toward the center. To summarize, the unit tangent vector t gives us the direction of motion. The principal unit normal vector n gives us the direction of the turn. N is calculated by taking the derivative of t and normalizing it. And finally, n is always perpendicular to t and points to the inside of the curve.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.